Hello, guys. I'm Gary from CNMCyber, and it's the next office hour. And today I want to introduce like a new development which I did, which is called like target persona. And the reason is, yesterday we did some session which prompted by or triggered by Kevin. There we discussed what their office hours should be. And we developed like this story, a fictional person, tentatively whose name is Mary, and she lives in Eldoret, Kenya, who is 18-year-old, who is a recent high school graduate, and who is interested in getting involved in the professional activities and workspace. And I decided that basically to use the same persona over and over again, and I call her CNMCyber target persona. And I added in terms of the deliverables, target deliverables, I added her to CNMCyber pitch kind of area. This is deliverable as MS02. Because it's very related to the pitch, right? To the kind of the CNMCyber pitch, whatever it will be. So why I decided to combine them or enhance the pitch with the persona? Because it is the person, a fictional person, of course, but it can be like a real person. Maybe most likely with another name, or maybe another age, or another gender. But I decided to keep it like this particular person in mind while shaping the speech, right? So, and we will have, based on this persona, we will justify why we need all the deliverables. Because on this page, which is called, for now, CNMCyber Talk, most likely we'll move them to career price business opportunities. We have a few deliverables which we want to kind of to get. And these deliverables, including the pitch, it's better to have someone, particular, concrete person in mind while working on that. So, and I started describing the journey of this Mary from Eldoret, Kenya. And this is how it will may look like, or at least like we target to look like. At the top of the funnel, or tofu, Mary should note a CNMCyber pitch, most likely on TikTok, or maybe someone told her. And there, she needs to learn that someone like her can start working, or start getting professionally involved. And she opened a search engine like Bing or Google or whatever is popular there in Kenya, and to find more information on CNMCyber. Using this research, for instance, right now I can try to do this. What will happen? I'm not sure because we are not in the market yet, right? But if I go like to CNMCyber, CNMCyber Wiki, CNMCyber Cert, welcome video, wow. We have it. We have something. Wow. I didn't realize that we have it, but have like videos on requirements. Yeah, it's getting some traction, by the way. CNMCyber YouTube. Bing doesn't favor Google's YouTube, I guess. Anyway, so she found like, let's say CNMCyber YouTube channel and Facebook page. And we can like extend, like journey should be extend, right? So let's say on their meetup or whatever she found. And while exploring information published in the social media that Cyber supports, she was directed to CNMCyber. Again, in CNMCyber, we will create a separate like story when she got there, right? While exploring CNMCyber, she learned about CNMCyber welcome session. She attended the welcome session. Okay, question, how she attended? She just typed in there, she needed to learn where, right? So right now there is a kind of some gap. So she needed to get to Meetup probably, or kind of somewhere. Where did she register? If she registered or just showed up, it could be. And finally, kind of when this like middle of the funnel, it's more like a learning educational stage, right? She learned, she read, she visited there, and finally she decided that she can get involved, right? So she should like act, like register and so on and so forth. At the bottom of the funnel, she registered with CNMCyber, got trained to organize meetings, capture video records, transform the records into documents. As a CNM event organizer, again, we need to to develop this page, like because all of our deliverables should support this like CNM target persona's story. By the way, this can be called like a user epic story because like in software development, like a short requirement is called like user story. So like, but we have here a multiple, like a story of stories. So it is called like epic. And I decided back to event organizer. I thought it will be only office hours. Right now, I decided that for event organizer, a person should really need to have experiences of organizing meetings in which information is distributed to the participants. So let's say some learning session, a class, or maybe like a seminar, but also good experience of some like decision-making style. I put like user group conference, but it can be any like round table or somewhere people exchange information and maybe make some decisions or recommendations or something else. An office hour is their event in which someone learns something, like interview, right? So office hours is more like interview of a person in the office. We can translate it in that way. So this should be like a higher level. So she organized an office hour meeting, captured video records, and developed wiki-based requirements. And then she started getting trained to become a CNMCyber website developer. And their deliverables, which I didn't mention, will be common hours. It will be somewhere here, also in the bottom of the funnel. Technology board can be in the middle. Office hour, it is here, right? Yeah, I didn't put it I needed to put this deliverable here. This was my mistake. Because again, office hour, it should be something which she will use. Okay, cool. And again, my goal is kind of to continue and put all the deliverables into this kind of like big epic story of this CNM target persona. And fortunately, we will be working on this and create a good like journey or user case or whatever we'll call it of this target persona, a fictional character, who will use our CNMCyber. And we need this target persona to develop a CNMCyber having in mind particular person and to be helpful to this particular person. Okay, that is pretty much all what I wanted to say on this topic, and thanks so much, and I'm looking forward. Bye bye.